I do like baking, but I don't want to be in the kitchen all day baking. So if I don't have to make it all from homemade, that's the way to do it. And if I can put more than one batch of cookies in the mixer at the same time, that's the way I'm gonna do it. Do you feel me? Because I ain't about that life being in the kitchen all doggone day. No. And back in the day when everybody that baked, they did it by hand, or them the little hand mixers, I bow down to you, because I ain't the one.